crazy kitty. Let's see what that looks like. Good morning, beautiful people out there. Thank you for joining me this morning. I was just thinking about it. There are a few things that I really love in life. My family, my friends. I love to reuse things, and I love wine as well. So I'm going to kind of combine these things, and I'm going to just make a cork phone holder because they just kind of rock and they work. So I'm going to take you through the steps of that, and we'll see how it goes. Pause. What you want to start with, you just want to have 6 corks. This is going to be our base. Boom, boom, boom. Six corks going this way, and then we're going to have 6 corks. Hope you can see it. These are going to be our top for the phone holder. And then we're going to have 2 corks that are going to go boop right there to hold the phone in place. There are 2 things I have discovered. If you have a glue gun and if you have duct tape, you can accomplish anything. So today I'm going to make use of my glue gun. So all you want to do is, and I'm just going to show you this little step here. You take your glue gun, ooh, nice and hot. You throw in some glue. You don't want to use too much. Believe me, I have used too much before and it kind of makes a mess. And we're just going to put our little pieces together like so. You just need a little strip of the glue. And that's how we're going to start it. So we've glued these pieces together, and as you can see, the glue is going to kind of harden. So I kind of always overdo the glue, but that's all right. You just glue these pieces together, boom, 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 and that is our base. And now I'm going to glue the back side of it. So Hobson has decided to join me because he loves Cat Stevens, who can do it. So we just have our little pieces of glue pulled together. The final step on this, we're going to take 2 pieces of cork that have been sliced. We're going to put them right here. And the beauty of a glue gun is that it's just so fun. You can do anything with this thing, I swear to God. This is going to dry. And in a little bit, I'll show you how it holds the phone. So here we have our little phone holder. And just to show you how it works, oh my gosh, look at this. I mean, seriously. It's so cute, it's eclectic, and it just is so fun. It's so helpful. So if you have cork, use it, reuse it, and I'm wishing you folks a beautiful, beautiful day, and we'll chat soon. Peace, my friends.